Autel EVO Nano Plus. We really even had a chance to do anything with this thing yet. Yeah, when I took it out for the first time, it was that 50 mile an hour wind type deal, so I couldn't mess with it at all. So yeah, let's take off. See, like all of these, you have to... Ooh, look at that. There's some gulls over there or something. There's something over there. They put the obstacle avoidance on every time you restart. I think it's beeping, actually. Every time it's... restarted. Okay, so I turned that off so it would stop that annoying beeping. I don't even know what it was seeing. Okay, so we don't know. We don't even know what the obstacling was. Let me start the video up so at least we could shoot something. But look how stable it is, guys. Wow. It's very stable. Very nice. Just fly it around a little bit for a couple of minutes. Here. Wow. There's the river. There's the old factory. Yeah. They've put some, I mean, this airport, it's just a county airport. It's not like, San Francisco International or something like that. You know what I mean? So, but hey, those are the rules. Yeah, it's a nice area. I'm just spinning around. It's right above me, actually. You can see by the little blue dot there. That's how you know. Wow. Flew great, man. Flew great. Yeah, it really does fly better with the obstacle avoidance off, guys. I mean, seriously. It's just a better deal all the way around. There's the junkyard. I think they're closed today. I didn't see any action over there today. So, yeah. Yeah, it's flying good, man. I'm happy with it. Yeah. And it's in the standard mode. I'm not flying in the sport mode or anything. I don't remember where I took off, actually. There was a little spot over here where there was a piece of tile or something that I took off from. It was a shingle, actually. Oh, there it is over here. Because that's where it's going to want to land, right? It's going to go to that shingle. I believe. Let's see. I don't want to return to home land. I would want to landing because I'll just hand catch it. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that was a bad catch. That was a bad grab. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Gimbal self-checking now because of that little bumpy landing. All right, guys, there you go. EVO Nano. Yeah, man, it flew great. Wow. I'm real happy. Okay, guys, there you go. Yay. All right, have a nice day.
That's all, folks.